Bollinger Bands EMA trading strategy with Bitcoin 5-minute data. 90% win rate. Bollinger Bands is a widely used technical indicator. In this video, I will backtest and optimize Bollinger Bands and EMA trading strategy. This time I wanted to find a high win rate, so the optimization is based on that. The strategy. Bollinger Bands with 30 periods and 2 standard deviations. EMA 200 to determine the direction of the trend. I will only test long positions. So, buy when close price is greater than EMA 200 and close price is lower than the lower band. Optimization results. The heat map shows the distribution of take profit and stop loss percentages. As you can see, 1 and 2% take profit combined with 14 to 15% stop loss give highest win rates close to 90%. I picked up stop loss of 15% and take profit of 2%. Then I tested this for the last 10 years. Here are the results. We were exposed to risk about 80% of the time. We made about 1300 trades. Our win rate was spectacular, 90%. But look at the return. We lost money. This is really awful, especially when we compare it with the huge buy and hold return. Example trade. This chart shows example trades. We have 12 trades. On August 18th at 6:10 p.m., the close price fell below the lower Bollinger Band. On the next candle, we take the trade. We wait for the take profit target of 2%, then we exit the trade. And here's a trade we lost. Again, on September 7 at 5 a.m. the price fell below the lower Bollinger Band and we took the trade on the next candle. We had a 15% stop loss, so we were stopped all the way here. Testing optimized results with other periods. In order to see if the win rate is still high, I tested it with other periods. Here are the results. The win rate never falls below 80%. It even reaches to 95% in 2020. But the return is never more than buy and hold return. Conclusion. A high win rate does not necessarily mean a high return. Setting large stop loss values can eat away your profits. Please like and subscribe.